this mockingbird does not like Jeff Gordon. Anyway, let's see, let's take a hammer. I went to the tool shed and got this hammer. Let's do it.
One less scared, one less scared, one less proud, one less divided by the ground you made. The damage made, I won't be sold until you're hallucinated out. I never wanted to be here inside the fallout. Affiliation is a redefining age. I'm not the only one, I need a name to separate me from the weak and the brave.
That's actually one tough little car here. So, just gonna have to maybe run over it. Is that the next one? Let's run over it. Let's put it underneath the truck tires. Ray Evernham cannot cheat your way out of this one, Jeffy. Just sure can't. Guys, we've got more cruising videos coming up. We got like 52 days for our next cruise, okay? But until then, we got this video, and then we're going to Talladega next weekend. We're going to Talla-frickin-dega. I'm taking you with me, okay? 52 days for our next cruise, but who's counting? Yes, we will get back to cruising, but first, we got some Talladega coming up. That's right. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this kind of garbage, and I do mean garbage, subscribe to the channel. 73.